Architecture profession involve creativity and scientific approach. An architect is a person who plan, design and oversees the construction of a building. Indian construction industry is at its peak and it's said that the next few decades will see an immense boom in construction in Indian cities. Almost 70% more construction will happen in the next few years in Indian cities. Foremost purpose of any architect is to provide functional, healthful, safe and pleasing shelter. In simple form, architects and designers of beautiful building and interior space in building. Good building affect not only occupants but it become history for future. Remember, Taj Mahal is also creating for good building designer.
I'm architect Rajendra Kumar, Director, School of Architecture, Noida International University. We are a School of Architecture with the courses of Bachelor of Architecture and Bachelor of Interior Design. When we talk about architecture profession in India, there are immense opportunity. When our Prime Minister is talking about 100 smart cities, so that means that there are million of square feet and million of spaces are yet to be built. The profession of architecture in India is in very emerging stage. In this development of India initiative, we School of Architecture are doing our bit. We have been collaborating with number of international agencies. Our students are working in lot of offices, not only in India, abroad also. You can see in our school some of the work which are exhibited as the result of international work. You can also see some of the work what student had been doing in our daily routine classwork. These are the design of some very interesting building by students. You see some of the work from Russian School of Architecture which are exhibited here. Our students have already worked in many different international and national competitions. They received number of awards. So in a total nutshell, I would like to emphasize on the importance of architecture in Indian context. There are immense possibility for architects in India. Also, I mean, many Indian architects are also working abroad or doing the specialization or higher studies. It's a good profession and that has a lot of possibilities, and there are also variation of number of specialization after architecture, like furniture designer, car designer, product designer. These kind of specialized professionals are also having a basic qualification of architecture, and basic qualification of architecture for these kind of specialized profession helps a lot for understanding about design essence. And also this profession demand a lot of dedication and hard work. To become an architect, you need to complete the 5-year Bachelor of Architecture course. For admission in Bachelor of Architecture course, one need to have physics, chemistry, math in 10+2 and also qualifying in NATA examination or GAE paper 2 or any aptitude test examination by state government.
The role of an architect is changing faster than it has before. There are immense opportunities for the architects in future. At present, only around 1.2 lakh architects are in India, and there is huge demand of new architect and building designer in near future. It has the same situation of 90s when there was a huge demand of IT professionals, software engineers. Same way the construction industry has booming very fast in India across the world. To eligible for admission in Bachelor of Architecture course in India, a student should have qualified NATA National Aptitude Test in Architecture conducted by Council of Architecture COA, JEE Main Paper 2 or Aptitude Test conducted by state. A student should have 10+2 with physics, chemistry and mathematics, or diploma with mathematics subject after 10th. Its 5-year course include 1 semester internship with any registered architects and 1 semester final these project. With the rapid evolution of available technologies, latest software and the integration of new techniques in buildings, architecture profession and the role of an architect is changing faster than it has before. Architects are problem solver and designer of many aspects of human life. For example, product designer, furniture designer and many other forms of design which are been in daily use for human are other form of specialization of architecture profession. Many students are opting for specialization in many other fields after graduation in architecture, like furniture design, product design, car design, etc. Many famous architects of India are internationally known at world level, like Hafiz Contractor, owner of one of the largest architecture office of Asia, recently awarded Padma Bhushan by Government of India. Other famous architects are Raj Reval, B.V. Joshi, who is recipient of Zikr Award in 2018, which is considered as Nobel Prize of Architecture profession. A.R. Rajendra Kumar, Director, School of Architecture, Noida International University.